Students will start halogenation reactions. So in this reaction जो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम होता है, हाइड्रोजन एटम एक अल्फा पोर्शन, एक अल्फा कार्बन एटम जो हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन एटम होता है अल्फा कार्बन के पास इज रिप्लेस बाय हैलोजन एटम. Halogen atom. So here in halogenation reaction जो हाइड्रोजन एटम होता है अल्फा कार्बन के पास वो रिप्लेस हो जाता है हैलोजन से. Now we'll see the reaction. यदि सपोज आपके पास acetaldehyde है CH3CHO plus halogen atom in the presence of acetic acid CH3COH acetic acid. So this is the alpha carbon. This is the function of this is the alpha. So all the hydrogen atom and the alpha carbon atom are replaced by chlorine. So here you get CCl3 is 3. All the 3 hydrogen atom replaced acetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde. This is the first one. If you are taking ketone in this way, if you are taking ketone, so equation will write here. This is the ketone. I am writing here. CH3COCH3 plus Cl2. Then in the presence of acetic acid. So here is this is also alpha. This is also alpha from anywhere. Hydrogen are replaced by chlorine atom. So here you will get CCl3COCH3 plus 3Cl. This is known as halogenation reaction. Now next one is reaction involving alpha hydrogen. Reaction involving alpha hydrogen. So जो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होता है यहाँ पर जो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होता है वो हमारे पास एसिडिक समवॉट एसिडिक नेचर होता है. अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इज एसिडिक रिएक्शन. हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड अल्फा कार्बन इज एसिडिक नेचर. हाइड्रोजन एटम एक अल्फा कार्बन इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. दिस इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. सो हम लोग देखें एसिडिटी ऑफ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन की बात करें. सो जो अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स बोथ हैव अल्फा कार्बन एटम्स, इट इज समवॉट एसिडिक इन नेचर. सो इस एसिडिटी जो होगी इट इज सेपरेटेड बाय वी आर यूजिंग डाइल्यूट NaOH. A base we are used to separate the acidity. A water molecule is given out. When base you will use, a water molecule is given out and you will get the conjugated form. Means you will get the conjugated base, and this conjugated base is stabilized by the resonance, and this is known as enolate ion. जो conjugated base है is known as enolate ion because enolate नाम इसलिए पड़ा इसके पास because it contains the double bond as well as alcoholate group. That's why its name is enolate. So here we will see this is the H C double bond O. So we'll use the base. A water molecule is given out. Here we get a negative ion because it will lose the water molecules are stabilized by resonance. This is known as enolate ion. Because enolate जो आया वो हमारे पास डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहा है इन से आया है और OH ग्रुप्स के कारण अल्कोहोलेट ग्रुप के कारण इसका नाम enolate पड़ा है. So that is the reaction involving alpha hydrogen. Means hydrogen atom जो होता है पास अल्फा कार्बन का एसिडिक होता है which is neutralized by using a base dilute NaOH. So water molecule is given out and you will get the conjugated base, and this conjugated base is stabilized by the resonance and water molecule is given out, and this conjugated base is enolate ion because it contains double bond as well as alcoholate ions. So on the basis of that हमारे पास जो है डिफरेंट रिएक्शंस आएगी. सबसे पहले आएगा हमारे पास एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट इज एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन, सेकंड इज क्रॉस एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शंस. हियर इज वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन हैलोजनेशन रिएक्शन कि हमारे पास दोस एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन डू नॉट कंटेन अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, डू नॉट गिव दिस टाइप ऑफ हैलोजनेशन रिएक्शन लाइक फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड विल नॉट गिव दिस रिएक्शन. हमारे पास बेंजोल्डिहाइड will not give this reaction, or benzophenone do not give this type of reaction because do not contain alpha hydrogen. This is the important part. Next is aldol condensations. In this one, carbonyl compound alpha hydrogens are treated with dilute NaOH or dilute HCl or dilute K2Cr2 solutions. So this hydrogen atom is attached with the another aldehyde groups. Means the hydrogen atoms means aldehyde. Those aldehyde will give this reaction which contain alpha hydrogen. जिनके पास अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होगा वही aldehyde this reaction will give, or ketone will give these reactions. So हमारे पास जो aldehyde है it will give beta hydroxy aldehyde and ketone will give beta hydroxy ketone, जिसे बोला जाता है aldehyde को बोला जाता है aldol, और जो आपके पास beta hydroxy ketone फॉर्म हो रहा है is known as ketone. So here we'll see the example like CH3CHO contain alpha hydrogen, CH3CHO in the presence of base, dilute NaOH or base. So these hydrogen from this group means here is one hydrogen which goes to this compound. It will form CH3 with the CH3 CH, and one hydrogen from this part, this carbon अल्फा के पास से रिप्लेस होगा, then here will come OH. One hydrogen from here means CH2 then H. So this H goes to this group. So हमारे पास जो बचेगा CH3CHOH, CH2CHO, CH3CHO. Its name is 1 2 3 4 4. So हमारे पास होगा 3 hydroxy 1 2 3 3 hydroxy butane 1 al. 3 hydroxy butane 1 al. This is the I will form 3 hydroxy butanol, जिसे बोला था aldol. 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 Here is two function group is here. Aldol नाम जो पढ़ा है वो इसलिए पढ़ा है because this group, this aldol contain aldehyde group, aldol aldehyde group, Al जो है aldehyde group से आया है और OH जो है हमारे पास alcoholic group से आया है. That's why this compound contain two function group, aldehyde as well as alcoholic group. That's why its name is aldol. And then जो compound form और product form हुआ है, product को आप जब heat करेंगे so it will give the unsaturated compounds. It will give unsaturated compound. जब आप इसे heat करेंगे CH3CHOH, CH2CHO, 3 hydroxybutanol, two molecules of acetaldehyde treated with a base to give aldol, and name aldol इसलिए पढ़ा because it contains two function group, aldehyde group as well as alcoholic group. Now heating this compound, so हमारे पास जो heating compound है you can write in this way CH2 then CHO. So यहाँ पर OH from one carbatum, H from adjacent carbatum, they are combined and lose the water molecules. Here is H, you can write in this way. So both adjacent carbatum से OH और एक दूसरे कार्बन के साथ H जो है heating करोगे तो it will eliminated. Then you will get unsaturated compound CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. This is known as crotonaldehyde. This is known as crotonaldehyde. Unsaturated compound, crotonaldehyde. Or you can write but 2 in 1 al. Its name is but 2 in 1 al. Its name. Its name is But 2 in 1 al. 1 2. So but 2 in 1 al. And common name is protonaldehyde. This is the aldol condensation reaction. Okay. Next is ketone group. So ketone will give ketal. Means contain one ketonic group and one alcoholic group. That's why its name is ketone. Ketal. Like CS3, C double bond O plus CS3, then COCS3. Here they are kept in the presence of base, barium hydroxide. So one hydrogen from this group, combine this here. So here we get CS3, CS3, OH, CS2, CO, CS3. 2 molecule of acetone. 2 molecule of acetone. So here we get one hydrogen from here goes to this oxygen, so it will form OH. Then attaching this group, so its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 पर hydroxy है, 4 methyl, pentane 2,1 और इसे बोला था कीटोन. Because its name ketone इसलिए आया because contain ketonic group here as well as alcoholic group. That's why its name is ketone. या आप लोग बोल सकते हो अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी aldehyde or alpha hydroxy ketone. You can say in this way. So हमारे पास जो बनेगा बाय प्रोडक्ट बनेगा protonaldehyde, but 2 in 1 al, and हमारे पास फॉर्म होगा ketone. Then hydrolysis of this ketone to form acetyl oxide. Now this is the heating this compound CS2COCS3 heat. So one hydrogen from here, it will lose the water molecule and you will get CS3 double bond CH, C double bond O, CS3. This compound will get. A water molecule is made from the adjacent carbon atoms. So when you heat the ketone, then it will give this compound. It is known as acetyl oxide. Acetyl oxide. IUPAC में लिखना है आपको. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So you can write pent. या लिख सकते हो 4 methyl pent 3 in 2 1. This is the IUPAC name. So this is known as aldol condensation reactions. Here we are using 2 aldehyde molecules are 2 ketonic group. Those who are containing alpha hydrogen. So they are forming aldol or ketone. When further product जो फॉर्म हो उसका हम लोग हीट करते हैं. So they are giving the unsaturated compounds by losing the water molecules, means from the OH group from adjacent carbon atom and H from another carbon atoms. They will lose the water molecules and form unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is known as aldol condensation. Before we starting the cross aldol reaction, just I am telling that कि जो formaldehyde है, benzaldehyde and benzophenol do not give this reaction. Aldol condensation do not give because do not contain alpha hydrogen. That's why benzaldehyde, formaldehyde as well as benzophenol do not give aldol condensation reaction. Next one is cross aldol condensation reaction. In this reaction, two different aldehydes, two different ketones are one aldehyde and one ketones. When combined in the presence of base, they are giving the addition product. Means main product as well as addition product. Here is formaldehyde CH2O plus CS3 CHO. Dilute OH. Here you get CH2 OH, OH, CS2 CHO. means this hydrogen from goes to this one. So here you will get 2 so 3 hydroxy प्रोपेनल। सेवेंटीज कीटोन के साथ देखना है, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड प्लस CH3COCH3 dilute NaOH. So one hydrogen goes to this one, you will get CS2OH CS2COCH3. It is one hydrogen goes to this one. So आपके पास जो है एडिशन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा, is two different aldehydes, two different ketones, or one aldehyde and one ketones combined together to give cross-aldol reactions. So here is 1 2 3 4 hydroxy butanone, butane 2 1 or butanone. This is the IUPAC name, and this is known as cross-aldol condensation reaction. If आपके पास दोनों, यदि आपके पास अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है, so they are giving the 4 possible structures, means ethanol as well as propanals. यदि combine करते हैं तो it will give the different possible structure, 4 possible structures. This is known as condensation reaction, aldol condensation reaction as well as cross-aldol condensation reaction. So next one is the important chemical reaction, Claisen condensation reaction, another name reactions. So in this reaction, this is the part of cross-aldol condensation reaction. In this reaction, base catalyzed cross-aldol condensation involving the aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde. Base catalyzed aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde. It will give the unsaturated compounds, means additional products, and when hydrolysis of this compound, they are giving the main product. Here is one is benzaldehyde and one is acetaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde as well as aliphatic aldehyde. So in the presence of dilute NaOH, one hydrogen goes to this one, they will give the product C6H5CHOH CS2CHO. It will give the product, and name of the product is its name is 1 2 3. So 3 phenyl 3 hydroxy, जिसे हम लोग सकते हैं 3 hydroxy 3 phenyl कहते हैं 3 hydroxy 3 phenyl propanol, 3 hydroxy 3 phenyl प्रोपेनल। नहीं, जब आप फर्दर हीट करेंगे so water molecule is given out, a water molecule is given out from here, a water molecule is given out, means OH from here, H from here, यहां पर से आपके पास H और यहां से OH जो है निकल जाएगा, then you will get C6H5 CH double bond CH CHO, जिसे बोला जाता है, आप इसे बोल सकते हो सिनेमल्डिहाइड। बाय लूजिंग द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स आपके पास मिलेगा सिनेमल्डिहाइड। IUPAC नेम लिखना है, सो 1 2 3, सो 3 phenyl prop 2 in 1 alk, this is IUPAC name। 3 phenyl 1 2 3 पर phenyl ग्रुप अटैच्ड है, 2 in 1 alk, its name सिनेमल्डिहाइड। सो आपके पास जो है बेंजल्डिहाइड and acetaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde as well as and aliphatic aldehyde, तो हमारे पास मिलेगा सिनेमल्डिहाइड। Same reaction will take place with aromatic aldehyde and ketone, aliphatic ketone के साथ, then compound acetone dilute NaOH. So here one hydrogen from these CS2H, then you can write this H, so it will lose the water molecules from here, they will lose the water molecules, so you have left C6H5 CH. C6H5CH. By losing the water molecules, what you will get? Double bond CH. CO CS3. You get directly, you write in this way. Aromatic aldehyde combined with acetone in the presence of dilute LOH, it will lose the water molecules. Then आपके पास मिलेगा benzidine acetone. Acetone. Its name is benzidine acetone. Common name. IUPAC name you want to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phenyl. 4 पर हमारे पास phenyl है. Then bute 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phenyl bute. 3 in 2, 1. This is the IUPAC name. This is the IUPAC name of this reaction. जिसे आप लोग बोलते हो Claisen condensation reaction, important reaction. This is the part of cross aldol condensation reactions. So we have discussed aldol condensation reaction जहाँ पर पास two aldehydes or two ketones combined together. So they are forming ketal as well as acetal. Then cross aldol में देखा हम लोगों ने different atoms, different aldehydes, different ketones or one aldehyde and one ketones combined together to give the product. Then Claisen condensation reactions, aromatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde with aliphatic aldehyde or aromatic aldehyde with ketone, they are giving the different products.